Stephen Stearns, the lead suspect in the death of 13-year-old Madeline Soto and the boyfriend of Madeline's mom, is now facing 60 new charges. They aren't murder charges, but instead are the consequences of what was found on his phone. West News' Megan Mulatto joins us live from the Osceola County Jail where Stearns is being held. And Megan, these charges could put him away for life.
Yes, Stu, that's exactly right. So the charges vary from sexual battery on a child under 12 to lewd or lascivious molestation. Now, the state attorney's office says both of those are felonies. Both of them could lead to life in prison if convicted. While law enforcement agencies across Central Florida were investigating the disappearance of 13-year-old Madeline Soto, detectives with the Kissimmee Police Department found pictures and videos on Stephen Stearns' phone, leading to his arrest just days after Madeline went missing on charges of sexual battery with a child, capital sexual battery, and possession of material depicting sexual performance by a child. This is video of Stearns being taken to the Osceola County Jail. That Friday, Madeline's body was found near Hickory Tree Road. Officials believe Stearns was spotted near the location earlier in the week, hours after surveillance video captured Madeline's body in Stearns' car. Now, the state attorney's office has filed 60 new charges against him, including 8 counts of sexual battery on a child under 12, 5 counts of sexual battery with a child 12 to 18, 7 counts of lewd or lascivious molestation, and 40 counts of unlawful possession of materials depicting sexual performance by a child, 10 or more images. In a statement, State Attorney Andrew Bain says the state attorney's office has been working closely with KPD and received evidence that gave us cause to file formal charges against Stearns. We appreciate the thoroughness and detailed attention of their investigation and will continue to work with our law enforcement partners to build a strong case against the defendant. We requested an interview with Kissimmee Police regarding these charges and the murder investigation. They declined and referred us to a statement from Chief Betty Holland that says in part, "With this being a complex case with many facets, our work is not done and we are continuing our investigation into the timeline leading up to Madeline's death." For now, Stearns is being held here at the Osceola County Jail on no bond. According to court documents, they show that he'll be back before a judge on April 2nd for his arraignment. For now, we're live in Osceola County. Megan Mulatto, WESH 2 News.
The state attorney's office says sexual battery on a child under 12 is a capital felony. Charges of sexual battery with a child 12 to 18 and lewd and lascivious molestation are first-degree felonies, all of which could lead to life in prison if Stearns is convicted.